Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? I hope you are all well. Are you ready to our lesson today? Excellent. Let's start our lesson today. Surah Al-Takathur, verses from 5 to 8. Our lesson steps. As usual, we recite Holy Quran and say the dua. Second, recitation of Quranic verses and explain the meaning. Explain the overall meaning of the Surah Al-Takathur from 5 to 8. Link to real life. At the end of the lesson, our activities time. Our dua today. يا رب لك الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك وعظيم سلطانك. O Lord, all praise is due to you as befitted the majesty of your countenance and the greatness of your authority. Your target today to explain the overall meaning of Surah Al-Takathur verses 5 to 8. Let's listen to the verses of Surah Al-Takathur and let's listen also to video about rules of Tajweed.
Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, 3-minute series, lesson 39a, in which we will learn the rules of Lam of the word Allah. Lam in general is recited thin, like La, Fala, Ja'ala, Ala, except in two cases. In the case of the Lam of the word Allah, when it is preceded by Fatha or Dhamma. It's like Allah, okay? And in English, for example, we say la, fla, cla. We don't say la, fla, cla. So that's a very good example to remember. Otherwise, in case of word Allah also, if it is preceded by kasra, it is thin, like lillah. The word Allah occurs in the Quran almost 2,700 times, so this rule is applied on every page, 4 times per page, in fact. Let's take the first case, when the word Allah is preceded by Fatha. For example, Allahu Akbar. This is very, very important. We recite it every day in our salawat and in adhan. So, A is thin. Allah. Don't say Allah. Say Allahu Akbar. Ra is also thick. Don't say Bor. Say Ba is here. Bar. So, repeat after me 2 times. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Again. Allahu Akbar. Okay. And remember, don't say Allah. Allah. So lam should be thick. Next one. Wallahi. Wallahi. Again. Wallahi. Don't say wallahi. Next one. Inna Allah. Inna Allah. Inna Allah. Subhanallahi. 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 There is qalqala there, huh? And don't say subhanallah. Subhanallahi. La. Remember la. Let's take the next case when the word Allah is preceded by dhamma. For example, narullahi. Don't say narullahi. Okay. Lam should be thick of the word Allah. Repeat after me 2 times. Narullahi. 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 Nasrullah. See, na is here, sad is very thick and high. Nas. And ru is thick. Okay. And lam is also thick. Rullahi. Nasrullahi. 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 Let's take the last case when the word Allah is preceded by kasra. In this case, lam is thin, the normal lam. Okay, so nothing special. So repeat once. Billahi, billahi, walillahi, walillahi. So don't say billahi, walillahi. No. Bismillahi, bismillahi, sabilillahi, sabilillahi. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. ألهاكم التكاثر. ألهاكم التكاثر. حتى زرتم المقابر. حتى زرتم المقابر. كلا سوف تعلمون. كلا سوف تعلمون. ثم كلا سوف تعلمون. ثم كلا سوف تعلمون. كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين. كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين. لترون الجحيم. لترون الجحيم. ثم لترونها عين اليقين. ثم لترونها عين اليقين. ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم. ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Let's read the verses and what the meaning of the verses. Here we have question. Who's excellent can tell me the answer. What must people do to be grateful to Allah for His favor? Our question, how to avoid hellfire? Who's excellent will tell me. What do you understand from the verse? What will the people be asked on the day of judgment? Here, let's link to real life. Cooperate with your classmate to list the biggest number of acts that cause us to enter paradise. Plenary. At the end of the lesson, our activities time. Thank you, my students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.